What up, YouTube? This is your favorite referee, favorite wrestler, favorite manager, favorite vlogger, whatever you want to call me. As you can see, I was in the middle of the workout. I was recording for y'all. I was doing a PR, 175. And it wasn't even me lifting it. I was moving it down one notch on the things, and a hard pop. In my wrist, I don't know if you can see it. It's a little red, a little swollen. I did what I can do today, and you'll see it in this video. But I tried to pick up my dumbbells. I can't even get it up to press it. I can't lift it. I so want to get to 200. I so want to get to 200 on bench. I do. And I keep failing. I don't know what else to do to get stronger. I don't know what else to do to build my muscles. I'm at the breaking point that I just want to give up. Maybe it's time to give up the gym. It's okay to fail, but it's not okay to keep failing and can't do nothing about it. That's my problem. When I heard the pop, I still tried for the 175, and I failed. Obviously, I failed. I couldn't even pick up the dumbbells. I couldn't even do 135 for 5 sets for God given. I couldn't even do that. And yet, I'm still you. Yet, I don't know what else to do. I'm going to get on the treadmill and I'm going to walk my rest of my workout because I don't know what else to do. I can't do weights with my hand like this. I cannot keep going. Enjoy this video. I know it's a short one this time, and I promise until next time. Caitlin!
Damn, that boy's like a vacuum cleaner.
Oh, no way I can.